Welcome to this practical guide on embedding models compared. We'll cover architecture diagrams, code examples, and best practices for RAG and retrieval systems. This video, categorized under RAG and retrieval, is estimated to last 45 to 75 minutes. We will explore two modules, choosing and fine-tuning embeddings, and embedding fundamentals and benchmarks. Let's look at the RAG pipeline flow, which connects components from documents to a grounded answer. It starts with documents, followed by chunking and embedding, then storing in a vector store, and finally, retrieval with re-ranking before the LLM generates the final answer. Our first module focuses on choosing and fine-tuning embedding models for optimal performance. When selecting an embedding model, consider context length, multilingual needs, and self-hosting options. We will also discuss Matryoshka representation learning for truncating embeddings and how to fine-tune for domain-specific retrieval tasks. Next, we'll dive into embedding fundamentals and benchmarks, providing the necessary context for model selection. Text embeddings are dense vector representations that capture semantic meaning. We'll examine MTEB benchmark results for retrieval, classification, and clustering, as well as the trade-offs associated with different embedding dimensions. This advanced RAG architecture stack shows the layers built from the foundation upward. It starts with the embedding model and vector store, moving up through the retrieval and enhancement layers to the application layer. Here are some best practices versus common mistakes. Best practices include using hybrid search, adding a re-ranker, and utilizing techniques like HiDE. Avoid common mistakes like fixed character chunking or not re-ranking. This code example demonstrates a production-ready pattern for hybrid search and re-ranking using LangChain. It combines semantic and keyword retrieval before applying a Cohere re-ranker for improved results. Key takeaways include the importance of understanding the architecture, testing thoroughly, measuring performance, and prioritizing security. Master the fundamentals of RAG and retrieval before adding complexity.